In this video, you'll learn how to change your time zone in Slack. This process is essential for ensuring that your messages and notifications align with your local time. Follow these steps carefully to make the adjustment smoothly. Begin by opening the Slack application on your device. If you were using a web browser, navigate to the Slack website and log into your workspace. Once you're logged in, you should be directed to the main interface where your channels and conversations are displayed. Next, locate the sidebar on the left side of the screen here. You will see a list of your channels. Click on the home icon at the top of the sidebar, which typically resembles a house. This action will take you to your main workspace overview, allowing you to access your preferences. After that, find and click on the specific channel you want to adjust settings for. In this case, select SAMP, LE1 from the list. Once you click on it, the channel's conversation will open in the main window. You should see the messages and interactions from other team members. Once the channel is open, look for your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Preferences. This will open a new window where you can adjust various settings related to your Slack experience. In the Preferences menu, find the category labeled Language and Region in the left sidebar and click on it. This section allows you to manage your language settings and time zone. You will notice a list of options appear on the right side of the screen. Continue by clicking on the time zone option within the Language and Region section. This will display your current time zone settings along with options for changing them. A list of time zones will be presented for you to choose from. Next, you can either select Set Time Zone automatically if you want Slack to adjust your time zone based on your location. Alternatively, if you prefer to set it manually, scroll through the time zone options until you find your desired setting. For example, you might select UTC plus 0800 Kuala Lumpur, Singapore. This selection will adjust your time zone accordingly. After making your selection, look for a close button, typically located in the top right corner of the Preferences window. Click on Close to exit the settings menu. Your time zone should now be updated, and Slack will reflect this change in all your communications. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.